Finnish Thompson partners with Erie High, and we had learned of the program probably a couple years ago.
The co-op program was pretty much through high school when you're going out to look for a job in the field. It is essentially your senior year and your junior and senior year, whichever one you pick.
So I started at Erie High in 2018. I did a rotation of manufacturing, engineering, welding, and electronics, and I decided to go on machining. So I started on manual mills, learned how to make a 1-2-3 block, and then progressed from there to do NIMS, which was a certification test we would do. We would do a part and then take a test for it. I got 4 of those.
I got into welding from, it really wasn't even like, I never thought about it before high school, but we went on a field trip to Erie High to see like all the shops, and I saw welding. When we went to the welding one, like we went into all of them there. There's like, you know, all the automotives and all that, the construction. When I went in there, it just like struck something I liked. I like how it looked, you know, everything, all the hands-on stuff.
Our leadership is very strategic, very forward-thinking. You know, we want younger people in the workforce. The machining industry, the trades, all of those are so underrepresented now, and these students are learning fantastic skills from people who have been in the industry for many, many years. You know, you're really bringing into the fact that they're meeting the president of the company, they're meeting the owner of the company. I can't say enough how much we appreciate these young people.
My supervisor, he's been great. He taught me how to do setups on the lathe. Another coworker of mine showed me how to do setups on the mill, how to run that, how to really just understand the ins and outs of machines, how to probe a part to tell the mill where the part is.
They'll come in, they will shadow some of our workers. They are basically trained on whatever the need is within that department.
Everybody here is, I don't have any problems with anybody. Everybody here is, they're all good people. I mean, like I said, the company takes care of everybody.
When the student graduates, there is a signing day at Erie High, which is very comparable to a college commitment letter. All of the companies show up, and typically these co-op students are receiving permanent employment at the companies that they're at. It's not just Finnish Thompson. We've seen many partner companies. It's a great time. They sign the letter, they get some Finnish Thompson swag, you know, they are part of the team. And then of course they're introduced as a full-time employee. We put it up on the TVs, we really celebrate it. It's exciting. I believe, you know, our most current co-op is the welding student, and we're planning on him coming onto our payroll effective June, and I know he's really excited about it too. Then, you know, then they get to participate in all the benefits of, you know, we get health insurance, paid time off, they can participate in the profit sharing program. So very exciting time.